and currently where are you living now, and then এটা হলো তোমার হচ্ছে কি বেসিক পরিচয়টা। তারপরে if you want you can express this, I am the youngest, or I am the younger, or I am the elder, I have 2 brothers and 1 sisters, my father is a government service holder and he works there, my mother is a housewife। তুমি এভাবে বলতে পারো if you want। তোমার ফার্স্টলি হচ্ছে নিজের পরিচয় গেল, সেকেন্ড যাবে হচ্ছে your educational background, তারপর হচ্ছে কি বলা হয় তোমার প্রফেশনাল যদি কোনো এক্সপেরিয়েন্স থাকে, বা যদি what do you want to be in a future, your career planning, your hobbies, এই বিষয়গুলো তুমি ক্লিয়ারলি বলবে। তো বেসিক বিষয়টা হচ্ছে তোমরা চেষ্টা করবে বেশি বেশি বলার, আমি কম কথা বলবো, by the way we will achieve your fluency. Okay, Neera, you can start.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Sakshakalum Neera. My nickname is Nida, and I'm more familiar in that name. My poetry is Surashpur. It's under the Barisal occupation. It's basically famous for its natural fruits known as guava, betel leaf, nuts, efficient. It was fruit taste as well. So now I would like to telling about my educational background. So I had completed my SSC from Kingo College, and my college was Dhaka Intel College, and now I'm studying BBA in Manaras. Then my hobby is I love cooking, traveling, and doing some like tree plantation or some good stuff as well. And my goals was like I would like to be see myself as a working woman. It could be like I would like to do like a bank job or any corporation job, anything like that. And I think that's it.
Thank you very much, but you need to enlarge your sentences, okay? Unless and until we feel bored. Okay,
sir.
By the way you will improve yourself.
Yes,
thank you, Neera. Actually I have forgot, I have missed your part. What is your hometown?
Okay, my hometown is Firozpur.
Okay, so there is a special dialect.
Yes.
Do you know, or are you habituated on this dialect?
Not really, sir. Like not that much fluent on that, but Uji at least I know. But some speak in that way. It's a lovely language, I would say, but I can't speak in that way.
But for me personally, I love to talk on that dialect, and I'm really habituated. I'm fluent on that.
Yes, so they have some cute language style that accent that's so cute actually.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much, Neera. Then who will be next? Inadia Brishti, are you ready? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Inadia Brishti, you should talk as long as you can, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, start.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Inadia. My full name is Inadia Al-Ardi Brishti. I am from Mymensingh Sherpur. My study, I completed my HSC and SSC from Sherpur. My school name is Ideal Preparatory and High School, where I completed my SSC, and I complete my HSC from Sherpur Golf College. Now I am studying at Manaras International University in BBA department. I lived in Mymensingh Sherpur. Sherpur is famous for agro mill.
You are living in, that means currently where are you living now?
I'm living in Sherpur.
So you're living in Sherpur. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
continuous sense. Okay.
I love to traveling,
I love
reading
to
books.
traveling. I love to traveling. I love to travel.
I love to travel, reading books,
Cooking.
no, sir.
Gossiping with friends.
Sometimes.
As well as sleeping.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we get time, we love to fall in. We love to fall
Sleep,
in the bed.
falling
Yes.
asleep. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will not make sub questions for you. You need to continue. You need to continue. আমি চাই যে তোমরা এক শ্বাসে এক টানে 5 to 10 minutes তোমরা কথা বলবে. Okay.
Ji, sir.
Okay, I think inshallah after around the course we'll achieve this skill. Now I'd like to request Farhana Shahadat. Then be ready, Fariha Tasnia.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Farhana Binta Shahadat. I am from Middlewada, Dhaka, and my hometown is Noakhali. I actually don't know why my hometown is famous. Now, let's talk about my background education. My school is Shirasma. I studied at Shirasma Memorial Model School, and my SSC CGPA is 4.55. I completed my college in Shoir Birutto Manual Left-Handed College, and my GPA is 4 point. And my father is a service holder, and my mother is a housewife, and I have a little brother. My strength is my family, and I am also self-motivated, hardworking. And my hobbies is like I like to playing games, listening music, watching dramas, etc. And my future plan is like my career goals is to get a job in a reputed company to achieve a good position where I can build my career. Inshallah, I can success in my life, and that's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. It's an organized present introducing. You have tried to cover all of the things. So thank you again.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, who is next? Who is supposed to talk now? Okay, then Jannatul Firdaus Disha. Disha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then be ready, Luba.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I hope you're doing well. First of all, I would like to convey my thanks to you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Jannatul Firdaus Disha. My home district is Bikrampur, but I live in Baghdad, Dhaka. My mother is a service holder. Beside that, I have 4 siblings. Talking about my educational qualifications, I have completed my SSC from Bata Girls High School, and my result was GPA 5. After that, I have completed my HEC from Shohid Romijuddin Cantonment College, and my result was a GPA 4.17. My background was science, both in school and college. I am currently pursuing BBA from Manarat International University. My aim or my future plan is to do a job in a reputed corporation. As I know, there are numerous job opportunities after BBA, such as in banking, marketing, finance sectors. So I will try my best to obtain a good CGPA and fulfill my goal. I'll also try to pursue MBA after finishing BBA. Then my strength is my family. My weakness is lack of confidence, nervousness. Then lastly, talking about my hobbies, painting and mobile photography is something that I love to do in my free time. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your nice introducing. Now, Luba, Luba.
Assalamu alaikum, sir, and thank you so much, sir, to giving me this opportunity. And I'm really happy to inform you to present myself. So, my name is Tasnim Seba Luba, and it's quite familiar in this name. And my home district is Boishal, and I'm living in Middle Badda. And my now I'm talking about my education qualification, and my ACC background is Shirajmiya Memorial Model School, and my CGPA is 3.95, and my HSC is Bhushan Commerce College, and there also my CGPA is 3.95. And my father is the doctor. My father also have a pharmacy, and my mother is a housewife. And I have a little younger sister. My sister reading class 7, and my future plan is I would like to be a banker or a marketing teacher. And my now I'm talking about my hobby. I like to dancing, and I also love to sleeping all the time. So that's all about myself.
Thank you. Concise but good. Okay, then Mafia Akhtar. Mafia Akhtar, then be ready, Rubaba Karim.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Mafia Akhtar, and I'm from Faridpur, and now I'm living in Bonustri. And my SSC from Purvarampura High School, and my GP
Should
was
be better. Why Faridpur is better? Oh, yeah, why Faridpur is famous for, or you can tell something about Faridpur.
Sir, I think Khejure Ros.
Okay, tell us on that.
And my SSC from Purvarampura High School, and HEC from Montpura College. And my hobby is watching movie series, etc. And my free time, I like to do sleeping is first priority. And now I'm completing my BBA at Madras International University, and in future, and I want to get a job in a bank. That's all about me.
Okay, thank you very much. I think all of you have some little bit grammatical use shortage. I'll not tell you that it's your wrong or mistakes. Rather, sometimes whenever you speak, you need to use some other am, is, are, I'm, or ing, ing, some very little things. Okay, so if you be habituated with these structures of the grammar, then this sort of problem will be solved in a very short time, inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now who is Atika Alom? Have you talked with us? If you're not, okay, loudly please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. Hello, my nickname is Atika. My home district is located in Kumilla. Kumilla is famous for Rashmalai. My present address is C Block, Rampura, Bonustri. I read in BBA from Manarat, second year. I do some tuitions in my area and also have an online business page. My education background is I'm passed from Fazlurrahman Ideal Institute School, and my GPA was 4.67. And my college was Ideal School and College, Motijheel, from commerce background, and my GPA was 4.50. In future, I want to be a bank accountant, and lots of all my hobbies: reading storybooks, gaming, cooking, traveling. That's all. Thank you very much for listening.
Okay, thank you very much. In future, what do you want to be? Bank
accountant.
Would you please clarify this position? Bank officer or bank accountant means the officers who work in an accounts desk.
Yes, the accountant.
I mean, who receive money and pay money for the customers or depositors. Is this the position? Have you mean this?
No, sir.
I mean,
So you want to be a bank or you want to work in a bank? Okay, it's a bank job. It's not a bank account.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, and then I would also request all of you, please try to uh, engage in a job, definitely which is the highest position. If you want to work in a job, then please try to be a officer. Some banks recruit probationary officer, some bank recruit training officer, management trainee. Then it will be better for you. Otherwise, if you start your working life as a cash section officer or junior officer, or if you want to try to work in a car division, then it will be very um, biting experience, and it will be very hard for you. Okay? You can never reach in the up position. So always think big. Okay, think big, not small. Even you can think about the government job. There is a BCS, there is a non-career BCS services as well, some other government schools, college. You can think of that. Okay, thank you very much, Atika Islam. Then Sidratul Muntaha.
Sir, Atika Alom.
বুঝি না।
Atika Alom. Ramna.
Atika Alam.
Ji, sir.
Okay. Yes. Then Sidratul Muntaha. Sidratul Muntaha, can you hear me? If you can't hear us, then Sanjida Arpa.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sanjida Orpa.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
Okay, Sidratul Muntaha, then after Sanjida Arpa, then you will start. Okay.
My name is Sanjida Orpa. Sir, bolbo.
Continue karo.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sanjida Orpa and my nickname is Sanjida. I am from Madaripur. It's actually famous for date molasses. Now I live in Shahjadpur. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I passed my SSC exam in Bonani Vidyaniketan School and College, and my GPA is 4.68. And I passed my HSC exam in Shuridanwar Girls College. My GPA is 4.84. In my free time, I love to draw picture and listening music. And my future plan is being a teacher or a banker. That's all about myself, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, who is next? একটু আগে কথা বললা যে।
Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Sidratul Muntaha. I come from Dhaka, and my SSC, I completed my SSC no Holy Flower School.
Yes.
And my SSC, I completed my SSC in Samsul Haqqan School and College. My GPA, my SSC GPA is 4.29 and HSC GPA is 4.42. And my mother is teacher and my father is teacher. Now I am a student in Manarat University, and I studied in BBA department.
Okay, Sidratul Muntaha, you need to improve. Okay, you need to improve both of your pronunciation, your sentence structures, and definitely you need to take preparation. Whenever you want to talk, definitely you need to take preparation. Okay. Sidratul Muntaha, have you collected the book?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll talk about it later. Okay. Then anyone left? Okay, there is Turna Mojumdar. Turna, can you hear me? Turna, if you don't hear me, then I would like to request